Hello guys, welcome to Asimology. I am Dr. Muhammad Gul. In part 1, we discussed some examples of chemistry in our daily life, for example, human body, medicines, food etc. In this video, I will present few more examples of chemistry in our life. Laundry is a common example. We use various kind of soaps and detergents for cleansing. Soap is a sodium or potassium salt of fatty acid. These are long-chain molecules. It has a polar and a nonpolar end. Hydrophilic end attracts water while hydrophobic end repels water. The hydrophobic end of soap molecule is attached to oil droplets on dirty cloth while the hydrophilic end is bound to water molecules. Thus oil droplets and dirt is washed away from clothes. The quality and cleansing action of soaps and detergents can be improved by diving deep into the chemistry involved. Chemistry is involved in industrial processes, for example, textile industry, dye preparation, and leather tanning, etc. Chromium is used in leather tanning. Various electronic products like the smartphone in your or the computer you are using, are thanks to chemistry. Besides benefits, industries also pollute our environment by releasing effluents like gases to the air. Hazardous chemicals are added to the water reservoirs by industries that causes water pollution. Chemistry again can help us to reduce the hazards caused by the pollutants. Gaseous emissions from industries and vehicles results in acid rain. Oxides of carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur are dissolved by rainwater and water become acidic. Acid rain causes damage to humans, animals, and buildings. Knowledge of chemistry can help us protect ourselves, improve our life standards and quality of products. Agricultural chemistry can help us to improve soil fertility, maximizing crop production. Soil contain organic matter like dead leaves, food remains and dead animals' body parts, that convert to manure and increase soil fertility. Some inorganic elements are used as nutrients by plants. Plants prepare food for themselves by photosynthesis. Plants produce food for animals and humans. Magnesium is important component of chlorophyll in plant leaves. By taking CO2 from air, water from soil and light from sun, plants prepare their food by photosynthesis process that takes place in chlorophyll inside leaves. This process releases oxygen that we use in respiration. We need proteins to build muscles. Guys working out in a gym eat proteinaceous diet to strengthen their muscles, for example egg white. Nitrogen is the basic component of proteins. So it's all about chemistry. These were few examples of chemistry in our life. By taking advantage of chemistry, we can improve the product's quality, uplift life standards of mankind and can serve humanity. Thanks for watching.